let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Here are the ingredients we'll be using to make our Instant Pot version of curried chicken. 2 pounds of chicken thighs, garlic, onion, and ginger, our spices, and heavy whipping cream. Our spices include curry, Himalayan salt, turmeric, cumin, and cardamom. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. You know we've started back to school over here at Memaw's house. So that means I need to get some meals on the table that'll be ready while I'm working, while they're at school. So I'm going to start using my Instant Pot and my crock pot a little bit more. So you'll be seeing a few more of those recipes coming down the pike. Today, I'm going to make some Indian chicken, curry style. It's closer to a butter chicken. I don't have the garam masala that I need to put in it, but I will make it as close to a traditional Indian cuisine as I possibly can. And I'm going to use my Instant Pot. My people like curry chicken, so I'm going to do that for them in the Instant Pot today. So come on, let's get our apron on and we'll get to cooking. We'll start by taking the fat off some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've already washed in a little salt water with some lemon. As a side note, these are organic chicken thighs, and I like to buy my meat from Aldi, Sam's Club, and Costco. Now that the fat has been removed from the chicken, I'm going to lay it out on an aluminum foil lined chopping block. That helps me not have to clean that cutting board so frequently because I'm dealing with raw chicken. I can just throw this aluminum foil away and I don't have to worry about contaminants. Because there are so many spices in this recipe, I'm going to be very easy with the spices that I'm going to put on the chicken. I'm going to do it very simple and just season it with salt and pepper. Himalayan pink sea salt, and regular black pepper. Okay, now that the chicken is done, I've set it aside and we'll go ahead and get to chopping our veggies. I've already cut my onions and my jalapeños. I've sliced those, and now I'm peeling this piece of ginger, just a piece of it. You can do that with a spoon or with a knife like I just did. And I'm going to chop this up pretty fine. Now you may ask, where did jalapeños come from in a curry dish? You know what? I had some extra. My sister had given me some fresh out the garden, and guess what? I want to use them, so there that is, and I'm going to use it. You can do whatever you want in your recipe, but I'm going to throw these jalapeños in mine. Once I get this ginger chopped up, all of our veggies will be done, and we'll be ready to start cooking our meal. For this recipe, we'll use 2 settings on the Instant Pot. We'll start with the saute setting, which I'm turning on right now. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of salted butter to the Instant Pot pan so that it can begin to melt, so we can saute our chicken. Now I'm just going to brown the chicken on both sides because I'm not cooking the chicken all the way through. We're still going to cook the chicken more when we pressure cook it. This is a meal that I can get some prep work done before work and then get it put in the Instant Pot during my lunch hour so that it can be prepared before the children get home from school and before Peepaw gets home from work. So what I do is I prepare the meat, put that in the refrigerator. I can go ahead and chop my veggies, set that aside in the refrigerator, and then at my lunch hour I can come in, saute my meat, get my veggies and everything done, and then pressure cook it, and it will be ready when they are home from work and from school and when I get off work, because we're hungry by the end of the day. So now the second batch of chicken is cooking. We're just going to brown it on both sides just like we did the first batch, and then we'll add our veggies. Now while these last pieces of chicken are browning, I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies to saute them. While they're cooking down just a little bit, I'm going to get my seasonings together. I'm going to add my seasoning mixture to the hot oils so that they can bloom. That means it's going to make all those beautiful flavors come together and do what they do. Okay, let's put the other chicken back in, and we can let the seasonings keep blooming. It takes about a minute for that to cook through so that it can meld. And then we'll go to the next phase of the recipe. By the way, this already smells fabulous. Okay, I'm going to cancel the saute setting. I'm done sauteing. Now it's time to pressure cook. I don't want to cook the chicken and veggies too long, so I'm only going to cook them under pressure for 15 minutes. That way the chicken will still be done, but it will be tender and not mushy. Here's the time that I would add in coconut milk. I didn't have any coconut milk, so I'm adding heavy whipping cream. It's just as good for me, but if you like that authentic taste, you can add coconut milk. Now it's time to cook. I'll release the pressure and it'll be ready to stir and serve. Now, Peepaw came home and made some rice in our rice cooker. So all I have to do is serve the chicken onto our bed of rice and we'll be ready to eat. This dish is served well with a tossed salad on the side and maybe some sliced cucumbers with some tzatziki sauce. We always have our naan bread, and that's on deck right now, so we're almost ready to eat. Okay, here's my taste tester. She's gonna give it a taste.
It's so delicious. Chicken is nice and tender. A little kick to it.
Got a little kick? Oh, good.
Delicious.
Good, thank you. Okay, so y'all heard my taste tester. Dinner is done. It was super easy, and I could do it on my break. So y'all be blessed. Bye. I hope you give this recipe a try. The actual recipe is in the description box, and if you try it, please let me know that you have and what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so. We'd love to have you over here at Memaw's house. Thank you for watching. Y'all be blessed. Bye.